Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to mirror an image in photopea. Let's begin. You can use mirror directly open or open and place. Example, I use open and place and inserted inserted to this image, resize. Example, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, rasterize. Then press Ctrl Z, duplicate layer, use manually, you go to edit tab, transform, flip horizontally and adjust to this image. Hold Ctrl, align, middle, press Ctrl Z. Now see this mirror and image. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.